Erased Matriarchy. Unearthing the history of female power.
You know how we talk about corporations today? We let them sign contracts, own property, even sue people. We treat them legally like they exist, like they matter. In Erased Matriarchy, we trace how that legal reality was built on top of a massive silence.
You mean like corporate personhood?
Exactly. But to understand it, you have to go back to 1869, Chicago. The air is thick with coal smoke and the noise of Reconstruction. Sitting at a desk is Myra Bradwell. She isn't just a lawyer's wife. She's the editor of the most important legal newspaper in the Midwest. She knows the law better than the judges she writes about. So she takes the bar exam and passes with honors.
Okay, so she's a lawyer now.
Not yet. She applies for her license confident. The 14th Amendment has just been ratified to protect freed slaves, and it says very clearly that no state shall deny equal protection to any person. Myra looks at that word, person. She knows she is one.
I mean, yeah, that seems like a safe bet.
You'd think, but when her case reaches the Supreme Court in 1873, the justices stop reading the law and start reading their own prejudices. Justice Joseph Bradley looks at Myra, a brilliant legal mind, and he doesn't see a person. He sees a wife. He writes that the paramount destiny and mission of woman are to fulfill the noble and benign offices of wife and mother.
Wait, he put that in a legal ruling?
He did. He called it the law of the Creator. Case closed. Myra is sent home. But here is where the erasure happens. Just 13 years later, that same court looks at the same amendment, but this time the plaintiff isn't a woman. It's the Southern Pacific Railroad.
A train company?
A massive corporation. They argued that they, too, were a person under the 14th Amendment and deserved protection from taxes. And this time, the court didn't talk about destiny. They didn't mention the Creator. They just nodded.
Are you serious?
Deadly serious. In a blink, a steam engine gained the civil rights that a human woman was denied.
That actually makes me feel sick.
It should. It reveals that the patriarchy didn't just inherit a system, it engineered one. The person was a mask they could put on a business to give it power or rip off a woman to render her silent. The law wasn't broken, it was working exactly as designed.
Ignite your muse with drops of inspiration. Search Musedrops.